A very good evening, one and all. Uh, this is Dr. J. Vijay Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. Welcome to Dr. S.N.S. Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. A very good evening, one and all. In this video, I'm going to explain about a selection of strategic alternatives. This is one of the most important topic in product development and the brand management. So, what is a selection of strategic alternatives? So, while if you want to develop a product or develop a product brand, so it is the most important concept. We need to have a right strategy. So, while selecting a strategy, the alternative is a process of choosing the best course of action from multiple strategies to achieve an organizational long-term goals. So, and it is very improve and it is very important and to improve the competitive position of the organization. So, whenever we frame the strategy, that must support our system of working conditions. So, this strategy is an alternative process which supports our working style. We'll see what are the basic key alternative strategies that is required. The first one is a growth strategy, stability strategy, and enrichment strategy, and combination of strategy using the mix of the above all strategies. So, what is a growth strategy? Expanding the market share and entering into a new market. So, whatever the share we have right now, we can expand the market share by giving some additional benefits to the our shareholders and the customers, and maintaining the current operations without any changes, without any much changes in the position of our marketing strategy. So we need to possess and we must have a stable strategy in our marketing strategy process. So enrichment of the strategy is nothing but the reducing the operations and cut off cost for restructuring their process. By implementing the many strategic plans, it is very important to have a key strategic alternatives for developing a product development. So, how to select the right strategy? The next question arises: how to select the right strategy? So, whenever if you want to select the right strategy, it is our job to go through for the SWOT analysis, PEST, and SMART. So the strength, weakness, opportunities and trust of the our conditions. What are the problems we have outside, and what are the opportunities? What are our weakness? What are our strength? That you have to analyze. Next is about the political, environmental, technical, and these are the circumstances we have to go through that. Next, evaluate the internal resources like what is the manpower, finance resources, technology resources are available right now. According to that, we can make a strategy plan. Analyze the external factors like market trends, competitions, and economy, whatever exist. So whether the economic condition is support for my right business. So align with the whatever we are doing, that must be aligned with your vision, mission, or objective of the company. So these are the steps we have to follow by selecting the right strategies. So how next concept is why all this concept we need to develop, because to increase the sales. So ultimate destination, ultimate goal of any organization is to increase our sales, increase our turnover. So increasing sales means implementing a strategy and technology or techniques to raise the revenue generation from the selling product or services. Whether we are in product or we are in service industries, it is our job, it is our responsibility to increase the sales. So it is not a very easy job to increase the sales just like that. The common strategy, what are the strategy we can follow for increase our sales? Like enhancing the product qualities, then marketing and the promotion activities. We have to take a customer relationship management. We must have a good customer relationship. Then expanding the distribution channels, the kind of distribution channels like promotions, how we are doing, and what are the channels you have to reach our product to the customers. And these are again introducing the new products and services. And we have to give a much training to our sales team, have an innovative method of training to the sales team, so that our product will reach to the customer with the innovative method. So we can by this we can increase our sales. These are the why it is important. Apart from that, this is not just like the increasing sales, because it boosts your revenue and profitability. Because if you increase your sales, it will boost your revenue and the profitability, and it helps you expanding the businesses, and it increases the market share and customer bases, and it builds a brand value and competitiveness. The brand is one of the most important concept that is we are going to discuss about the next topic. So thank you for giving opportunity.